High Point, a city known around the world as the home of the World Furniture Market, where people from every corner of the globe gather twice a year to share creativity, craftsmanship, and culture. And now, something different is happening here. The Walk for Peace is coming to High Point. For weeks, Buddhist monks have walked across the Bible Belt states and now are heading to High Point, North Carolina, quietly, humbly, step by step, carrying nothing but compassion, discipline, and goodwill. And on Monday, January 19th, the city of High Point will welcome them at Truist Point Stadium, not as visitors, but as honored spiritual guests. This is a moment for our community, a moment for reflection, a moment for unity, a moment for peace. Join us as we continue the journey together.
Step by step, breath by breath, light on for a pause, moving through the flesh. No flag, no fight, no sides to choose, just a quiet rhythm the world can't lose. Forward morning, wheels roll slow, sun on the asphalt, long shadows grow. Monks in saffron, hearts in prayer, a small brown dog in the cool blue air. No collar, no script, no grand design, just a silent drummer on the center line. The phones rise up, but the voices fade. Engines idle in the quiet they've made. Something in the air starts to rearrange, like the beat inside us learning how to change. Aloka, light on the line, paw after paw in a walking tempo time. Peace in the pulse, love in the glow. You turn rushing hearts into rivers that slow. Step by step, breath by breath, you sink our souls to a softer depth. Aloka, light in the noise, teaching grown hearts how to feel like boys. Tuskegee evening, winter sky dim, kids on the sidewalk, waiting for him. They hover at the edge where wonder lives, till trust opens up and a small hand gives. A touch of fur and the edges melt, like the world remembers how kindness felt. No parade, no shout, no sign, just a quiet waveform crossing the spine. A calm so strong it starts to bend the room, like a kick and snare cutting through the gloom. Aloka, light on the line, paw after paw in a walking tempo time. Peace in the pulse, love in the glow. You turn rushing hearts into rivers that slow. Step by step, breath by breath, you sink our souls to a softer depth. Aloka, light in the noise, turning strangers into softer joys. He don't preach, he don't explain, just walks on through the joy and pain. India streets to an unknown land, borderless love in a borrowed sand. Light on the left, light on the right, one dog walking through the human night. No protest sign, no sharp divide, just open hearts on the roadside. He don't preach, he just walks. He don't preach, he just walks. Peace in motion, no more talk. Peace in motion, let love walk. This walk is not a protest, it's a prayer in slow rotation. For paws, tired feet, carrying light across a fractured nation. When the country feels weary, burdened and torn, he reminds us what still wants to be Aloka, light on the line, heartbeat tempo in a restless time. Peace in the pulse, love in the glow. You turn crowded roads into streets that flow. Step by step, breath by breath, may the light you carry outlast the rest. Aloka, light on four paws, a moving rhythm rewriting our laws. Walk on Aloka, through the hum and the hum, through the neon nights and the low-lit sun. If we forget how to be at peace, let your steady footsteps never cease. Step by step,